हाय ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी स्मार्ट विथ होस्ट स्मार्ट। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं अपना नया सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट, विच इज़ इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम फॉर मैनेजर्स। सो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन से। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ नाउ essential फॉर एनी बिजनेस और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू थ्राइव. It's no longer optional but a must-have tool to success. Managers must find ways to use information system to improve business processes and lead IT projects. IT plays a crucial role in business by performing fast, high-volume calculations, enabling quick and accurate and low-cost communication between organizations, storing large amount of data in small spaces, making it easily accessible, automating tasks and processes that were once done manually, analyzing vast amount of data to aid in decision making. IT helps business increase productivity, cut costs, make better decisions, build stronger customer relationships, and develop new strategies. The focus has shifted from the seller marketing to buyer market. Buying customers are the center of business activities. In today's competitive environment, organizations must use IT to stay competitive and survive. IT is now standard part of any organization, supporting individual roles, management, and business process when facing external and internal pressures. IT helps organizations plan and respond effectively. For instance, IT can help identify changes in consumers' behavior quickly and provide solutions. The proactive approach prevents problems before they arise. IT support strategic systems can boost market share, improve negotiations with suppliers, and maintain product quality. MIS, which is also known as Management Information System, and Decision Support System, which is DSS, assist in decision making, while Business Process Reengineering, which is also called BPR, involves using IT to innovative and improve business process. The internet and intranet help organizations reduce cycle times and speed up product launches. IT makes information accessible to employees at various levels, granting them more decision making power. Enterprise resource planning, which is also called ERP, heavily relies on IT to integrate and streamline business process across an organization. सो अब हम आते हैं डेफिनेशंस ऑफ आईटी की, अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे उनको. इंफॉर्मेशन इज प्रोसेस डाटा दैट ट्रिगर्स एक्शंस और हेल्प अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द डाटा मीन्स. इट्स डाटा put into the meaningful context used for decision making. Information communications in knowledge reduce uncertainty, reveals options, and influences actions. Okay, so hardware, software, database, network, information system, ये सब कुछ इंक्लूड है. इनकी डेफिनेशंस कुछ ऐसे आपको पता है कि हार्डवेयर के कौन से डिवाइसेस होते हैं, सच एज प्रोसेसर्स, मॉनिटर्स, कीबोर्ड्स, प्रिंटर्स. सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या आते हैं, सारे प्रोग्राम्स. डाटाबेसेस पे क्या आते हैं, जो कलेक्शंस ऑफ रिलेटेड डाटा स्टोर इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर. नेटवर्क्स में क्या कुछ आता है, सिस्टम दैट कनेक्ट कंप्यूटिंग रिसोर्सेज एंड अलाउ शेयरिंग ऑफ हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. आईटी क्या है, इसमें क्या कुछ आता है, कलेक्शन आती है, स्टोरेज आती है, प्रोसेसिंग आती है, एंड बहुत कुछ आता है. इसके अलावा भी हार्डवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर, सब कुछ इसमें इंक्लूडेड है. ठीक है, इसके बाद आते हैं द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ आईटी एविडेंट इन इट्स वाइड स्प्रेड यूज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओवर 91% ऑफ हाउस होल्ड्स इन द US हैव कंप्यूटर्स एंड इंटरनेट एक्सेस, वाइल इन इंडिया इट्स अबाउट 54%, शोइंग स्टडी प्रोग्रेस. हिस्ट्री ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था, हमें सबको पता है, राइट. सबसे पहले एफर्ट्स टू क्रिएट कंप्यूटिंग मशीन्स डाटा बैक टू 800 BC विद द abacus still used in China today. Over time, mechanical machines evolved, leading to modern computing devices. Key developments include diode tubes, transistors, integrated circuits, and very large integrated circuits. Since World War II, technology has advanced significantly, improving both computing and communication technologies. Software has also evolved, becoming more user-friendly. Tools like spreadsheets, word processors, databases, and decision support systems have made IT popular among managers. The term information systems and information technology are often used interchangeably and have been evolving since 1960s. अगर मैं टाइप की बात करूं कि इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम का टाइप्स क्या है, तो कुछ इस तरीके से है. फर्स्ट इज TPS, विच इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ट्रांजैक्शन प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम, used for record keeping essential for business operations. For example, sales, order entry, payroll, shipping records, and many more things. Decision support system क्या करता है? Assets management with complex decision making, uses advanced data analyzing tools, can incorporate external data like stock prices, is developed with input with decision makers to aid in but not to make decisions. EIS, Executive Information System, also known as Executive Support System, used by senior managers. User friendly with capabilities to trend analysis and exceptional reporting, presents data graphically and assess a wide range of internal and external information. Management information system, which is आप कह दो कि बहुत रेयर चांसेस होते हैं जो इसको ना यूज़ करें. हर एक MNC में ये चीज़ होती है. किस चीज़ के लिए होती है? प्रोवाइड्स रूटीन समरीज ऑफ बेसिक ऑपरेशंस, consolidates data from TPS, which is also called as transaction processing system, for reports on sales, production, and etc. Aim to increase operational efficiency, supports various functions like marketing, production, and finance. Workflow system. So workflow system क्या होता है? जिसमें manages and monitors business process. Example, bank loan processing. Type of workflow software क्या कौन से हैं? Administrative, which is expense records and travel requests के लिए accept होता है. Ad hoc, which is called product design and sale proposals के लिए होता है. Production के लिए mortgage loans and insurance claims के लिए होता है. Can be internet based on integrated with email. Enterprise resource planning, integrates programs to manage vital business program across a global organization, facilitates consistent information flow within the organizational and over the internet. Expert systems act like an expert in a specific field, making suggestions, has an extensive knowledge base used to automate business process and unexpected to grow in demand. Business perspective of IT. Information technology has significantly transformed business, providing a better cost performance ratio compared to labor cost, and which rise annually. As computer prices remain stable or decrease, businesses can purchase more powerful machines each year. Here are some key applications of IT in business. Finance and accounting. IT helps forecast revenues, manage funds, analyze investment. It also assists in audits and managing financial resources. Sales and marketing. IT aids in developing new services, selecting optimal locations for production and distribution, analyzing operational data for advertising and sales strategies, and setting product pricing to maximize revenue. Manufacturing. IT process customer orders, control inventory, develops production schedules, and monitors product quality. Field like computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing have emerged, and computer integrated manufacturing is now widespread. Robots are increasingly used in various sectors including manufacturing, healthcare, and defense. Human resource management. Companies use IT to screen applicants and conduct tests. Project management. Various software packages help manage project schedules, milestones, communication, and progress. They also assist in preparing documents and reports. Data analysis. Investment firms use IT to analyze stocks, bonds, and options, providing better services to clients. This application is also high demand for other firms dealing with large data sets, facilitated by internet connectivity. Internet and its business applications. New business models and digital firms. Digital firms से भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें बढ़ती हैं, जैसे कि लर्नर विद फ्यूअर हायरार्किकल levels, enabling remote work and quicker decision making. Field work, employees can work remotely with laptops, reporting data in real time without visiting the office. Redesigned business process, improve efficiency and reduce inventory needs through global data coordination and micro marketing. Electronic commerce, which is called e-commerce involved business transaction over the internet, providing benefits such as reduced cost, increased cycle time and improved customer service. It includes b2b, b2c, c2c, g2c e-commerce models. b2b is business to business, B2C, it means business to consumer, C2C means consumer to consumer, G2C means गवर्नमेंट टू सिटीजन्स. ये सारी चीज़ें इंक्लूडेड हैं. ठीक है. वर्चुअल स्टोर फ्रंट्स, ऑनलाइन रिटेल आउटलेट्स फॉर फिजिकल गुड्स सच एज Amazon एंड स्विगी. ऑक्शन साइट्स, प्राइसेस सेट बाय कस्टमर बाइट्स. ठीक है, उसके बिट्स पे डिपेंड करती है. कंटेंट प्रोवाइडर्स, companies specialize in creating and managing online content for others. In summary, the internet has drastically changed how businesses operate and interact with customers, emphasizing the importance of a sound e-business model for success. Computer aided decision making, a decision support system also known as a computer aided decision system, helps managers make complex decisions by providing the necessary information and analysis tools. Here's how it works. Purpose: a DSS assists in decision making when problems are complex and information is hard to gather and analyze manually. Component model represents a simple version of a real world problem. Database contains relevant facts and data. User interface allows managers to interact with the system. Process: identify needs. An analyst talks to the manager and understand the decision making requirements, creating the model based on the problem. A simplified model is developed. This could be mathematical equations, blueprints or other types of model. Documenting requirements, the analyst creates a detailed software requirements specifications using diagrams like data flow diagrams and flowcharts. Building the system, a prototype of DSS is developed and defined based on manager feedback before the full system is completed. उसके बाद आते हैं functions. What if analysis evaluates different scenarios and outcomes by changing decision variables. Risk analysis, assess potential risk associated with decisions. Trend analysis help executives identify patterns and trends. Exception reporting highlights usual or unusual or exceptional conditions for attention. Benefits: efficiency, accuracy, information informed decisions. We can say save time by quickly analyzing. This is called efficiency. Provide precise data analysis that manual method may miss, which is accuracy. Combines human judgment by computerized information to enhance decision quality, which is called informed decisions. In summary, a DSS is a valuable tool that aids managers by providing data analysis and support, helping them to make informed and effective decisions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys still need the notes, please let me know in the comment section with your mail ID so that I can share the same. Thank you so much.